Okay, so after entering the game, you'll notice that you can move these little menus or these little windows off to the left, and you can place them anywhere you like. You can also move the two-dimensional overview, or what I like to call the mini-map, anywhere you like, and you can fly the camera around the scene using this black marker that I'm dragging around on the mini-map. So to play a shot, what you do is you position the target where you'd like the ball to go. And at the moment, the balls are in corner 4. In fact, let's fly over and have a look at them. There they are, sitting in corner 4. Let's fly back. And now let's play our first shot. And the blue ball should speed towards the target. It won't get exactly there because there is some error in the shot. And that error is determined by the player attribute. So clicking on the little player attribute here allows you to see what sort of angle of error the blue ball player might play with and what their distance error is as well. And you can change those so that they're different for each player, that you have good players, bad players, and a mixture of the two. So that was the blue ball played in. Let's play the red in. So we select the red ball from this little menu up here. This always determines the striker ball. And this time what we'll do is we'll choose to show the aim line. So if we click on show, then we can now see the line of trajectory that we're hoping that the red ball will take. And we can show that on the two-dimensional view. We can switch that on and off. And we can also switch it on and off on the three-dimensional view. So there it is on the 3D view as well. Let's play that shot. So hit, and you can see again a little bit of error. It's not going in quite the right place. Now let's select the black ball as the striker ball. And you'll notice that while all this has been going on, the shots have been recorded. So if I now click on the number 1 shot here, it'll take us all the way back to what the position was after the blue ball played. Number 2 will take us to the position after the red ball was played, and so on. We can resave or load those shots at any stage. We can also change the size of the 2D view. So I can actually make this 2D view very, very large. I can zoom in, drag it around, and in fact I can actually zoom in so much that the balls actually become bigger, as big as they can possibly be. So this is now a really, really, really fine position. So in fact, let's actually play the shot just with the two-dimensional view with the black. So let's hit the ball and off it goes, and even though it's depicting what happened in the two-dimensional view, the action actually happened in 3 dimensions. So that's all very easy to go between. Just got to be a little bit careful when you're resizing this that it's always in view, otherwise you might lose it off the corner of the screen. The yellow ball now, of course, is next to play. If we like, we could actually, having positioned the target, we could fly over to that corner and then use the arrow keys to turn the camera around so that now we're looking at the position from the perspective from there. So let's hit that ball, and we can see it's shooting off, and now let's fly back over and see where it went. Now at the moment this lady here doesn't actually do anything. She can be moved around either using this icon on the lawn or using the one on the two-dimensional view. Now another key thing that you can do is you can drag the balls around just using the mouse. So you can see here that I'm dragging the black ball around. I can also drag the balls around on the two-dimensional view. Now in order to do that, you actually click 2D on the ball source, and that now enables you to drag the ball around on the 2D view. You can rotate the 2D view, so you can have it in landscape mode or send it back to portrait mode. And as I mentioned earlier, playing with different players will help the experience. Now, at the moment, we've just been shooting at the target. We can actually increase the pace or decrease the pace of the shot using this little difference menu here. So if I click on plus, then that will actually extend the shot. You can see it extending on both the 2D view and the 3D view. Likewise, I can decrease the shot, the pace of the shot. So although I'm still aiming for this target, the actual length of the shot is 5 yards less in pace than the full-blooded shot to the target. So it's possible to change the distance even though the angle of the shot that you're choosing stays aligned to the target. Okay, I hope you have fun with that. Please let me know how you go. You can change the score at any stage by clicking on these buttons up here. So if black makes the hoop, click the black. If blue makes the hoop, the blue, and red, and so on. If you make a mistake, just click the white button and that will revise the score. So yes, please have fun. Let me know how you go. The purpose is to make the game evolve with the requirements of the mallet sport community. So anything that you say will be very gratefully received and almost certainly acted upon.